Here's a short little video of how to force the pump on a solar system with a resole. All you do is hold the plus button for about 5 seconds. You should then get ARR. Keep pressing plus all the way along until you come to man 1. Keep going, man 1. Then what you do is you press OK and set should start flashing, and then change auto to on, and that now manually brings the pump on. So to make sure that's working, lights on the side, and then what you want to do is just move this over, have a look inside, and you should see that your flow rate is moving, the little brass flow rate inside. So if I just zoom in a little, and then to turn it off, all you do is in reverse. So we're already on man 1 now, and then all we're going to do, press OK, set to flash again. So set to flashing, and change this back to auto. That switches the pump off. Hold the minus down to get back to the main screen. There you go.